Hair health is integral to overall well-being. Each strand of hair consists of 3 layers: the medulla, cortex, and cuticle. The strength and appearance of hair depend on these layers' condition. Hair follicles, the living part of hair, require maintenance for vibrant growth. Genetics, age, and general health significantly impact hair health. Hair grows in 3 phases: resting, transitional, and growth. Daily hair loss is normal, but excessive shedding may indicate underlying issues. Maintaining a healthy scalp and strong follicles supports natural hair growth. A balanced diet rich in minerals, vitamins, and proteins is crucial for healthy hair. Protein deficiency can lead to brittle hair or loss. Vitamins A, C, and E, along with minerals like iron and zinc, promote optimal hair growth. Omega-3 fatty acids add shine and hydration. Regular washing with suitable shampoo and conditioner is essential. Avoid overwashing to prevent stripping natural oils. Limit heat styling and chemical treatments to avoid damage. Regular trims prevent split ends. Use a wide-tooth comb on damp hair to minimize breakage. Natural treatments like coconut oil massages enhance blood circulation to follicles. Aloe vera soothes the scalp and retains moisture. DIY treatments with eggs, yogurt, and honey strengthen hair. Consult a healthcare expert before trying new remedies for personalized advice. Avoid heat styling tools and harsh chemical treatments like bleaching. These can weaken hair, causing dryness and breakage. Choose gentle products and avoid tight hairstyles. Read labels carefully to select suitable products for your hair type. Stress, smoking, and excessive alcohol consumption negatively affect hair health. A balanced lifestyle with regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management supports hair vitality. Stay hydrated to maintain scalp and hair moisture.